Hello guys, vrich Marketing Renewable Energies here. So I have here my cheap security alarm system. So I bought this motorcycle horn for about 100 pesos, and here's my prototype circuit for the MOSFET controlling the motorcycle horn. So as you can see, it has a MOSFET. So it is connected to the 12-volt battery for testing. So I follow the circuit here. So this is the circuit that I followed using the MOSFET, and the load will be the motorcycle horn. So let's hook the positive and the negative. Then I switch so I can remotely turn on and off this circuit as it alarms. So it produces a loud noise, so please pull down your volume, since I will have to testing this and it will produce a loud sound. So this wire over here will be used as a switch, so it will be connected to a switch, or it could be connected as a device which, if you open the door, so it will automatically turn this on. So if this will in contact with each other, so the MOSFET will conduct and the motorcycle horn will turn on. So let's try this. So a loud noise will be produced. 1, 2, ready. So I have to turn off the switch since it's so loud. So you can use this to activate an alarm. So it's impossible to for us that you will not hear the loud noise produced by this horn if an intruder, or it when the door is open, or this switch will be activated. So this is one of the uses of our sources of energy, such as solar. So we charge this battery to the solar, or we connect this automatically to the battery connected to the solar, and then it activates when the door is open. So this switch will be the activating switch connected to the door. So that's all. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Thank you.